friends came out to play. They looked around and what did they see? Trash on the ground near every tree. The dinosaurs a paper, the panda picks up cans, the ant carries plastic, the turtle makes plans. They work together, both big and small, cleaning the park, helping us all. Dino says, let's start right here. He grabs some paper with a cheer. Newspapers, boxes, and cards so neat. Into the blue bin, a recycling tree. Panda finds cans, shiny and round, scattered on benches and all over the ground. He picks them up, quick as a flash. Into the green bin, they make a splash. And so tiny but strong and fast, sees plastic bottles left from the past. She carries them high, no job too grand. Into the yellow bin she lends a hand. Says we need a plan to keep our park clean. I know we can. He draws a chart with bins so bright. Paper, plastic cans, sort them right. The dinosaurs are paper, the panda picks up cans, the ant carries plastic, the turtle makes plans. They work together, both big and small, saving the earth, a job for us all.